So today we'll be assessing the Thomas test with Myra. We're going to start by finding a bench that is tall enough for her to sit down comfortably with her feet hanging off the side. This test is used to assess the range of motion of the hip flexors, primarily the iliopsoas muscles. So to start, Myra's going to lie back on her back so that the belly of her hamstrings now meets the end of the bench. Her first action will be to go into deep flexion of both the knees and hips and have a tight grasp of one leg while maintaining a neutral pelvis. Next, she's going to fully extend at the knee of one leg and slowly lower in a controlled fashion all the way down into the end of her range of motion. And go ahead and stay there for please. So as seen, Myra's knee is below her acetabulum, indicating she has a passing score on this test. We would do the other side as well to make sure we are able to get that score. We can also do the modified Thomas test. Same initial steps apply. She lies back, initial deep flexion of both the hips and the knees. She's going to grasp one leg. Same thing, we need neutral pelvis, but this time she's going to only extend the knee to about 90 degrees, as she has now, to make sure the distal end of the rectus femoris muscles are fully lengthened. Now she's going to slowly lower that leg until she reaches the end of her range of motion. And again, her knee is below the hip, indicating a pass. So as we can see here, the Thomas test, assessing the iliopsoas, and the modified Thomas test, assessing the rectus femoris, have a very similar end position. So we want to make sure that we annotate which one is performed if we're doing both.